And this is after I've put it back together. Now this is still the testing mode, so as you notice, I don't have the levers. The marks are all there from where I did bushing work, but this is after bushing work, after pivot polishing, after doing the fitting for tilt. And I mentioned on my last video that I had not yet put the the Cannon tube with the time center shaft wheel in there, and also a dividing gear. Now I've put all those in and reassembled it. Let's just see how easy it moves with everything clean, no oil, just dry. I'm gonna take one finger, and this is the time side. Notice the way the ratchet gear is turning. That's where I'm gonna move it. So if I start it there, one finger, and just one finger, and not only is it running all those gears up the train, all those wheels, but look at the escape wheel. Before I started working on this thing, the escape wheel was literally, if I can show it to you, it was literally hitting this shaft. It was scraping up against this shaft right here. Now, it looks close now, but actually, you could probably get at least a good 1/16 or more in there, in between those. It's no problem at all. Matter of fact, I'm pushing down on the spring great wheel, but if I just work on the ones above that, leaves a little bit of movement, everything just flies. No wear, no wobbling around anymore. You'll see it come in and out because it has shake, but you won't see it. You won't see the side to side. You have it so, and you will not see it. You see the teeth are moving, and the shaft looks like it's almost sitting still. It's just budging. Skate wheel turns nice now. It's got plenty of shake, but no side to side wear. All that's done. This is after 8 bushings were installed in a movement where it was supposed to have been professionally serviced. I don't know what they did or didn't do. I know they didn't put bushings in it. Now you also notice, here's what I mentioned the other day, you have all these little extra holes. Now, there is going to be a bracket that goes behind here with a rod for the regulator, but there's still a lot of extra holes when they use these for different things. Now, this hole will get a fan governor put in it. I don't have the fan, I've kept the fan governor out just for testing purposes because I know it's okay. When I get ready to do the final assembly, I've already checked the wear on that. There's no wear issues. But if I just take this finger and just touch this strike side, same effect. I'm even spinning it easier than the time side. Now, if it had the fan governor in, it would turn a little bit slower with my finger, unless I put more pressure. This is the chime side. Kind of like it runs after I stop. Just watch it. And that's the warning wheel. It's the last one, the very last one of the train. Now let's look at the escape. When I get this going, I'm putting a little bit more pressure, and I'm going to stop it. Okay. That's good. It's going to be taken back apart, and because I've got to repair a really worn out click on one of these whichever one it is, and without it being out of there may. I think this one's okay. It's engaged actually. I've just got it in engaged position. But one of these, the click just flops all around. You can see the click in there, but it's one of these. I'll have to check it. But I've got to replace the click. And then I've got brand new mainsprings to go on these great wheels. So once I get that part done, get it on the spring winder, the springs, get them cleaned well, get them wound, and get all the rest of my parts in place. And I've got to, as I go, I've got to do the final assembly where I attach the levers and everything. And that'll be a little more tedious. And then it'll be ready to put in the clock and do a test run. But for now, this is just checking our fit, making sure that the bushing work was done correctly. And we don't have any, everything's got shake. Everything has tilt, which is what it should have. All right.